According to the National Electrical Code, specifically Table 300.5, there are minimum depth requirements for burying electrical conduits. These requirements vary based on several factors, including the voltage of the circuit, the type of conduit used, and the application. For a 120-volt GFCI protected pole light circuit installed in 1-inch PVC conduit, the NEC mandates a minimum burial depth of 18 inches. It is important to consult the latest edition of the NEC to ensure compliance with current regulations. The NEC Table 300.5 provides specific burial depth requirements for various wiring methods and voltage levels. This table is critical for ensuring safe and compliant electrical installations. Factors influencing burial depth include the voltage level, conduit type, and whether the circuit is GFCI protected. GFCI protection is crucial for circuits near water, like pool lights, as it minimizes the risk of electrical shock. PVC conduit is a common choice for underground electrical installations due to its durability and resistance to corrosion. However, it is important to select the appropriate size and type of conduit for the application. Always refer to the NEC and local electrical codes for the most up-to-date requirements. Incorrect burial depths can lead to damage to the conduit and wiring, increasing the risk of electrical hazards. Proper installation practices are essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical systems. The NEC provides detailed guidelines for electrical installations, covering everything from wiring methods to grounding and bonding requirements. Understanding and adhering to these guidelines is crucial for licensed electricians and anyone working with electrical systems. When installing a pool light, it is important to consider all applicable codes and regulations, including those related to bonding, grounding, and GFCI protection. Pool lights should always be installed by a qualified electrician to ensure safety and compliance. Before starting any electrical work, it is essential to disconnect the power supply and follow proper lockout-tagout procedures. Safety should always be the top priority when working with electricity. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it is best to hire a qualified electrician. Electrical work can be dangerous if not performed correctly. Understanding the NEC and local electrical codes is essential for ensuring safe and compliant electrical installations. The NEC is updated regularly, so it is important to stay current with the latest changes. Continuing education is crucial for electricians and other electrical professionals. There are many resources available to help you learn about the NEC and electrical safety. These resources include online courses, seminars, and publications. Investing in your electrical knowledge is a worthwhile investment in your safety and career. When working with electrical systems, always follow best practices and use appropriate safety equipment. This includes wearing insulated gloves and safety glasses. Also, make sure to test the circuit before working on it to ensure that it is de-energized. Taking these precautions can help prevent electrical shock and other injuries. Electrical safety is everyone's responsibility. By following safe work practices and adhering to the NEC, we can help prevent electrical accidents and injuries. The NEC provides specific requirements for grounding and bonding electrical systems. Grounding and bonding are essential for providing a safe path for fault current to flow back to the source. This helps to prevent electrical shock and minimize the risk of fire. The NEC also includes requirements for overcurrent protection, such as circuit breakers and fuses. Overcurrent protection devices are designed to protect electrical circuits from damage caused by excessive current. It is important to select the appropriate size overcurrent protection device for the circuit. The NEC provides guidelines for calculating the ampacity of conductors. Ampacity is the maximum current that a conductor can carry safely without exceeding its temperature rating. It is important to select conductors with sufficient ampacity for the load they will be serving. The NEC also includes requirements for wiring methods, such as conduit, cable, and raceway. The wiring method must be appropriate for the environment in which it will be installed. For example, wiring installed in a wet location must be suitable for wet locations. The NEC provides detailed specifications for electrical equipment, such as panels, transformers, and motors. Electrical equipment must be listed and labeled by a recognized testing laboratory. This ensures that the equipment meets safety standards. The NEC is a complex document, but it is essential for ensuring safe and compliant electrical installations. It is important to consult the NEC and local electrical codes before starting any electrical work. If you have any questions about the NEC, consult with a qualified electrician or electrical inspector. Electrical safety is a shared responsibility. By working together, we can help prevent electrical accidents and injuries. Remember that the minimum depth for a 120-volt GFCI protected pool light in 1-inch PVC conduit, as per NEC Table 300.5, is 18 inches. It is important to understand that the NEC is not a design manual. It provides minimum safety requirements. It is the responsibility of the designer and installer to ensure that the electrical system is safe and reliable. The NEC is enforced by local electrical inspectors. Electrical inspectors review electrical plans and inspect electrical installations to ensure compliance with the NEC and local electrical codes. It is important to work with your local electrical inspector to ensure that your electrical installation is compliant. The NEC is a living document. It is updated regularly to reflect changes in technology and safety standards. It is important to stay current with the latest edition of the NEC. The NEC is available for purchase from the National Fire Protection Association. It is also available online through various subscription services. Investing in the NEC is a worthwhile investment for anyone working with electrical systems. The NEC is an essential tool for ensuring safe and compliant electrical installation. By understanding and adhering to the NEC, we can help prevent electrical accidents and injuries. The NEC promotes electrical safety for everyone. Understanding the specific requirements of the NEC, such as Table 300.5 for burial depths, is vital for electrical work. Always prioritize safety and consult the code for every project.